Hi guys, this is today's unboxing. It's a Marvel unboxing from the comic shop I go to from Stevenage.
Limited edition comics. We have cut the tape
We don't know what's
and we
inside.
open the box. I'm going to grab something for you. I'm going to grab this. It's a dad in a box.
Oh, I take that.
Oh, Loki! You can't see the t-shirt.
Loki
It's a
t-shirt.
Loki t-shirt.
You could steal that.
I can't steal it. Chris bought this with his own money. What's this? I know what this box feels like.
Well, is it heavy?
No.
Is it light?
That's a large.
This box, I know what this is. I know what this box feels like. It's a Loki figure holding a
It's
hammer.
a Loki hot figure
Hang on.
holding Mjolnir.
Pass it here. Let's open it out of the box.
I'm not opening it.
Is Loki holding Mjolnir in that?
Yeah,
Is Loki holding Mjolnir on the t-shirt as well?
it's probably part of the Loki series.
Oi!
But it's coming out.
He is. He's holding.
It's probably part of the
holding
Loki
Mjolnir.
series that's coming out on Disney Plus.
No, we do not talk about that on this channel. Not unless you sponsor.
What's that?
It is from the Loki series that's coming out. Look on the back of the box.
Yeah.
Loki.
He's holding his own version of Mjolnir. He's also
I want to watch it and
He's also
find out
bubbly
what
dude.
he has Mjolnir.
He kills Thor.
He still can't pick up Mjolnir if he kills Thor.
Unless he makes his
Is
own.
it a bubble?
It is a bobblehead.
You have bubble.
Or something that happened. I haven't seen it.
Well, no, you
It's
won't
not-
see it 'cause it's not even out yet.
It's not even out yet, but I'm taking a few guesses. He either created his own, or Thor dies.
Even if Thor dies, that doesn't grant Loki the power to wield Mjolnir.
He becomes worthy.
Well, no, because
Oh.
Captain America's already stolen it. He used it as a doorstop at the end of Avengers Endgame when he was dancing with Peggy.
And that was inside of it. So,
And there is. This is a Loki. What? This is a Loki comic.
and a Loki. Someone do Loki.
Let's open the bag up for you. It's a comic, Chris. It's actually got a barcode and everything.
I'll add that to my model. Pot figures.
I don't actually think it's Loki. I think it's Thor. Okay. It's Thor. It's not Loki, it's Thor.
I don't understand.
Thor with a Loki cover. It's actually Thor. It's a Funko one though.
Funko comic.
A massive box.
Yeah, that's number one.
It is number one.
And we've still got to do Japanese.
Tony Stark's in it. He tries picking up Mjolnir by the looks of it.
Wow, I want to keep
At least I got a comic out of it. And
keep this box.
this
You
is
can't
re-
keep the box. It's Chris's.
this is really good.
My name
You're not
is
having it.
whoever holds this hammer, if they be worthy, shall possess the powers of Thor. There is Mjolnir with lightning around it. Tony Stark and Captain America. That is your comic, Christopher.
This is a good comic.
Could I have the box back, please, Mr.
I haven't read it, I'm gonna have a look at it.
You knocked the box off.
Oh, I'm not worried about that box. We'll put the t-shirt back in.
I want this. Did you throw that at me?
So that was from Limited Edition Comics, and it was £35 for that box.
He said he's gonna get another. He said he's gonna get another one.
What do you think to it? Yeah.
I like it.
Isn't it?
Hello there.
I like the style of the comics, and it's good artwork. I'm just looking through. I think that's meant to be Odin.
No one can see what you're showing.
I think
This is
that,
what he means by the artwork. It's very good.
I think the guy with the helmet meant to be Odin. And bye.